Hello friend. Generally, like when you use SelectorsHub, if you try to open incognito, if you open incognito window, so you will not find SelectorsHub there in incognito mode. So how can we get it in incognito mode? Generally, like we used to do right click on extension, then manage extension, then that's where you used to do this setting earlier. But now we have made it a lot more easier. Just in one click you will be able to make it possible to use SelectorsHub in incognito mode. What you have to do, like generally, let's say you are using SelectorsHub like this way. You open SelectorsHub here just by clicking on the logo, and you see that here in the bottom you will see the version number. So you just have to click on this version number and it will open this extension details page here, and you see that allow in incognito. If you click on this, now it will allow extension in incognito as well. So if we go to incognito mode, you will be able to see the SelectorsHub logo here. Now if you open any website here, for an example SelectorsHub.com or any website, click on the logo and you will be able to use it here. Same way, like if you want to use the SelectorsHub for local files, then you can just like same way, you have this SelectorsHub here, click on this and it will open this page of detail extension detail page. Here you need to allow access to file URLs, click on this. So now you will be able to use SelectorsHub for local HTML files as well. If you open any local file, not the web application, so that also it will work. Also, now it has become a lot more easier to update SelectorsHub or any browser like SelectorsHub or Test Case Studio. So suppose you are using SelectorsHub here and you want to update this to the latest version. Right now it is 5.1.16. Suppose in future we released a new version, so what you have to do, just same thing, click on the version number and here you will see that your version 5.1.6. If you want to update it, what you will have to do, make it developer mode on here and click on update. So it will update to the latest version, though this is already updated, so it is showing 5.1.6. So this feature is available from 5.1.6 onwards. If you want to use SelectorsHub in incognito mode, again I will repeat that if you want to use SelectorsHub in incognito mode, what you have to do, click on this version number and then here scroll down and make it allow in incognito toggle on. Same, allow access to file URLs on. And this is absolutely safe and secure. We are not going to save any of your user data. It will be running on your local system as always. So after this you will see that you will find SelectorsHub logo here on incognito mode as well. Even if you are using SelectorsHub in the DevTools panel like the old way here, then there also you can just there also you can use it as earlier what you are using, and in incognito also you will be able to find it here in DevTools. So just one setting is required, simple one click, and then you will be able to do. Same way for SelectorsHub Pro users as well. If you open SelectorsHub Pro version and click on the version number here, you will find that it will open here and you can do this for Pro version as well. Now this also you will find it here in incognito after turning on that toggle. So this way you can now enable SelectorsHub and SelectorsHub Pro for incognito mode just in one click. You have to just click on the version number, that's all. Same way, in fact, for Test Case Studio also you can do. I will prepare a separate video for that. So now when you will click on the version number, it will show you the detail extension page here. I hope you find this trick helpful and this will be quite useful for our users. Please let us know in the comment section if you are using SelectorsHub in incognito mode. Thank you so much.